Today on Kung Fu Maintenance, the search is on for a leak that was showing up downstairs. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Coming from somewhere, so I had a puddle of water here. I just cleaned it up. I don't really see anything in the wall, but you can see the moisture here. So kind of a weird one. Don't really see anything in the ceiling. Questionable. Maybe, maybe not. On the other side, though, see in the closet. See anything there. Don't see anything here, but I can open it up and look inside there. And in the bathroom, I see a little bubble in the corner, and a little bit of something right here, and a little bit in the ceiling here. So you need to get to the bottom of this, but maybe need to get to the top of this. Let's see what's going on. Maybe a little something there. It's hard to say. Let's get in this air handler and take a peek inside here. This kind of gives access back there to the valves. Easiest thing to get into, not the hardest thing to get into. Let's take a look here. Stuff, but I don't really see any moisture. I'm guessing it's a shower drain leaking. I'll have to pull the cartridges, not the cartridges, but the escutcheons, and peek behind the cartridges, and I can verify that from the unit upstairs. And we'll check the shower drain itself. This one This one's been refinished, but you see it's holding water here, so it's got a lot of give to it. But the water's not going anywhere there, so. And it's got to be in the one upstairs anyway, based on what's happening. All right. Well, this situation gives me kind of an excuse to retest out my endoscope here. And what we're going to do is poke a small hole. Now this, I'll need to cut it all out anyway, but just kind of wanted to experiment a little with the tool. And I've got an excuse here. What I believe is happening is that the tub drain, shower drain from upstairs is leaking. I probably just need to repair it with silicone, just silicone all the way around the inside tub drain and around the outside of it. But I need to prove it out, and so that's what I'm doing today. Just gonna poke a hole in the center with my screwdriver and then take it. This has a nice long cord. Now I kind of want to set this on the ground so that my cell phone doesn't get any pressure put on the cord portion. I still need to make a little rig or a little box or something that I can anchor it to so that it doesn't get bent as this is inserted in the cell phone. So I don't want to damage my cell phone. But because this has a nice long cord, I can stretch it all the way to the ground, and then I won't be putting any pressure on the deal. So just need to poke a hole. Probably going to poke a hole about here, and that way I get a nice angle at the drain itself. Okay, so here goes poking the hole. Go right about here. Oh, I think I've hit the stud. Forgot about that. It's also possible, a lot of times these have a big mound of concrete.
Sound dampening
so
concrete.
Come at an angle here and go that way. Okay, that should be just fine. Insert video. Okay, clean off my tool. All right. Okay, just for starters here, I'll open this up. This is all going to come out anyway, but I'll just get some idea what's going on. Oh gosh, it's soaked. Definitely. What's going on? Holding water on the inside, it's not draining there, but around the outer edge, that's where it's draining all the water. But just going to seal everything real good with silicone. I'll do that. Got it all off real good. Now we're going to seal it with the silicone all the way around. Going to seal the inside and going to seal also around the outer edge of the drain cover so that we have a double seal. up so that I can unwrap. Part's less important than the outer portion here. So. Layer it on pretty thick here. Use the cover. Just mix it. That's a done deal. Kind of. But that's how I like to get it to make it nice and sealed. Done. So now the deal will be blocked on both sides and everything's sealed. Everything will just be going down the drain. Alright. So checking it today, everything's nice and dry. And I'm going to be doing this going upstairs. I'm going to verify that everything's nice and dry here. And then going to be headed upstairs. And then run the water and then step around in the shower and make sure that everything holds. Right now everything is dry. Reach up in there and I can feel that everything's dry. Afterwards be all the repairs and everything. But yeah, everything nice and dry. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna check it out. Alright, there it is. Nice and dry, we're good to go. Feeling up inside there. Everything's good. Alright, repair is good. Now comes the rest of the repair. Fun. Alright, done deal.
A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.
There is a plan for us, deeper than what we see. This is why it's called the planet. It's a planet. It's a plan. It's a plan for this planet. This will fail. There's a coming day. Are you ready? Right through this message, written for this message. Save us. Boo. know